CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. MMC. At this point, you've seen a wide range of Windows administrative tools, and while they may seem separate, many of them are actually built on the same underlying framework, the Microsoft Management Console, or MMC. MMC is a framework in Windows that allows administrators to load and manage various administrative tools, known as snap-ins, from a single interface. Tools such as Device Manager, Disk Management, Event Viewer, Certificate Manager, and local users and groups can all be accessed as MMC snap-ins. Rather than opening each tool individually, MMC allows you to bring multiple tools together into one centralized console. For example, a system administrator could create a custom console that includes Event Viewer, Device Manager, and local users and groups, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot a system without switching between multiple windows. Now that you understand how MMC is used, let's look at how to access it. To open MMC using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type MMC, and click OK. This command will open a blank console window. From there, select File, then add Remove Snap-in, and choose from a list of available administrative tools to add to your console. Once added, these snap-ins appear in a single interface, allowing you to switch between tools quickly and efficiently. You can also save these customized consoles for future use, which is especially helpful in enterprise environments where administrators perform repetitive tasks. Bringing this all together, MMC serves as the foundation for many of the administrative tools covered in this section. While you may typically launch tools individually, understanding MMC helps you see how these tools are connected and how they can be managed more efficiently. For the exam, remember that Microsoft Management Console is used to host and organize administrative tools through snap-ins, making it a centralized and customizable management framework in Windows. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.